When most people hear the words financial freedom, they imagine one thing: private jets, luxury cars, mansions, and millions in the bank. Social media tells you that if you're not a millionaire or billionaire, you're failing. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Most financially free people are not rich at all. Financial freedom is not about having unlimited money. It's about having enough money. Enough to live your life without stress, without fear, and without being forced to work just to survive. Real financial freedom means this: your basic lifestyle and family expenses are fully covered, even if you stop working tomorrow. No boss, no alarm clock, no panic. Let's break it down with a simple example. Imagine your family's yearly living expenses: rent, food, bills, insurance, come to about $4,800 per year. On top of that, you take one decent vacation every year, costing around $1,200. Then there are random but important expenses: a new TV, a phone, home repairs, maybe a bike or appliances. Let's say that adds another $1,200 per year. Add everything together and your total yearly requirement becomes $7,200. That's just $600 per month. If you can earn $600 every month without working, are you financially free? The answer is yes. You don't need millions. You don't need luxury. You don't need to be famous. You just need consistent income that covers your life. Financial freedom is not about buying anything you want. It's about never worrying about necessities. It's about sleeping peacefully. It's about spending time with family. It's about saying no to work you hate. Some people earn $10,000 a month and still feel trapped. Others earn $1,000 passively and feel free. Why? Because freedom is not about income size. It's about income versus expenses. Once your passive income crosses your monthly expenses, you win. Not on Instagram, not in society's eyes, but in real life. So stop chasing rich. Start chasing freedom. Because the goal was never to be a millionaire. The goal was to be unstoppable, stress-free, and in control of your time.